I'm Eric Gustafson, CEO of Coast Packing and fourth generation of our family to lead the company. Well, the history starts with my great-grandfather and his best friend and partner, Richard Oldwine. They were meat cutters and butchers by trade, and they ventured their way to the West Coast over the course of 15 years, starting in Iowa through Idaho, ended up in Los Angeles in 1919, and started Coast Packing in 1922. Well, the sense of pride I have working at Coast Packing really stems from being the fourth generation of our family and having a really great opportunity to continue the legacy of my father, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, and our entire family in being involved in this business.
Growing up with my father, hearing the history of my great-grandfather, working hard for that American dream.
I got here and there was just a ton of people here and there was nothing much. Our food shortening, a little bit of lard, tallow, and a little bit of veg oil. That was where we started. And as you can see, this facility, it was dirt and junk then, but now it's improved and come down the road, and we've done a great job here.
The city itself has certainly been a haven for business, especially heavy industrial manufacturing like ours and others. And, the relationships over the years have been very strong throughout leadership, which I appreciate. So I think you need to have a strong public-private partnership, and that's something we've preached from the chamber perspective as well as business perspective. Coast has survived and thrived as a result of relationships and building strong relationships with our suppliers, with our customers, with our employees, showing that relationships still truly matter by adding value to those relationships by providing the highest quality products and service within the industry.
I did grow up with people who have been there for so long. Thank you for staying with Coast that long, for pouring so much of your life and working hard, because without them, we would not have this business and we would not be successful.
Welcome to the Coast family.
Muy bienvenidos mis compañeros a la familia Coast.
Welcome to Coast Packing.
Welcome to the Coast family.
Welcome to the Coast Packing family.
Welcome to the Coast family.
Welcome to the Coast family.
It's a company built on strong brands and a growing customer base. It'll be a continuation of what the family's been doing for 100 years. They keep evolving. Evolving in many ways over the next 5 years will surround itself around geographic expansion. This company has the potential to become a truly national player and really expand the geography in which they both produce, source, and service their customers. That, along with keep building better products and leveraging their very strong brand equity. Yeah, there's been a real evolution in the perception of animal fats or natural fats. The quality and the healthfulness of those natural fats as cooking oils and ingredients has been evolving.
The strategies that we implemented in terms of bringing in a chef, a full-time chef on staff that can help tell that story of natural animal fats and the health benefits of it. And I think we've already seen, I think, a big benefit of doing that, and continuing to do that will help growth in the future as well.
Well, in 5 years, this company is going to be generating record sales and record profits and operating multiple facilities and servicing a much more diverse customer base that will include both regular distributors and street business, as well as some very influential national accounts.
Their level of success has evolved as a result of strategic economic growth, innovation, and that has been taken on each generation that has been a part of this family.
They're a fabric of our community. They've been here for so long, and I think that I want them to continue to be prosperous here in the city.
The customers are happy, customer satisfaction, and I think that's why Coast is still in business.
The more excitement is what lays ahead for this company.
With Coast, as with so many endeavors, it takes a village. In this case, that means honoring our employees, past, present, and future. Of course, our suppliers, and our customers and our community. From our family to yours, I want to thank all of you for shaping what Coast has been and what it will become.
Congratulations on 100. Can't wait for the next 100.
Raise our glasses. Cheers and salute to the next 100 years for Coast Packing. All the best to you and your families.